We start our approach at 500 feet AGL and about 75 knots. Once you're on the glide slope and you have your cockpit reference in line with your landing spot, collective down to establish your AOA and cyclic aft. Maintain about a 200 to 300 feet per second rate of descent. It should be looking like the same speed all the way down to the hover. When a helicopter begins to shake, that means you are exiting effective translational lift and more power will be needed.